everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm sorry if it sounds a little echoey. I am recording in my bathroom. I just moved into a new house, so I haven't set up my YouTube filming area, so you will be getting some videos straight from my bathroom. The lighting isn't too bad, so that's good. But today's video will be all about Lip Bar. Lip Bar has launched some new makeup products. They are not just all about lips. They now have a new foundation, mascara, eyeliner, highlighter, contour, all the things you need for your face. This new fast face kit that they have make it so easy for you to do your makeup on the go or as quick as you can. Or even if you're just one of those people who are not sure how to apply makeup, they make it very easy to use. So I'm so excited about this. And I can't wait to show you these products, so stay tuned. The first thing is their Skin Serum Foundation. You can see that there. So this is in the shade 303, so hopefully that matches my complexion as best as it can. And this is their Quick Draw 2-in-1 Brow Gel and Brow Pencil. And this is in the color Arch Nemesis. So this is Arch Nemesis. So as you can see, it has a pencil, and then it has a gel like this. And then we have a new mascara. I'm always looking for a good mascara. So this is their Lash Flash Lengthening Mascara. You can see that there. So it also comes with the Minute Flash 4-in-1 Face Palette, which I cheated. I have already used this actually. It has a really pretty highlighter, and then it has your contour, blush, and powder all in one, so it's so convenient. And then I also got this brush. Like I said, I've already used it, but this is a contour brush, and I use this for the blush. So this brush is also from the Lip Bar. And then I did get a new lippy. So this is their Man Eater Liquid Matte Lipstick. So we're just gonna jump right in and try it. Oh, sorry, it also came with this little fast-faced bag that I can put all of these items in when I'm traveling. I mean, it would be so great to only have to travel with, what was that, 4 or 5 items at a time. So it's very convenient that you can do your whole face with just those 4 items. So let's see how that looks. So I've already moisturized and primed my face. So what I'm going to do is my eyebrows first. The pencil is a little lighter than I typically use for my eyebrows, but we're just gonna make it work. And then using this brow gel. The brow gel looks like it actually does darken it up a little bit, which is good. I actually don't typically use brow gel, but I'm always willing to try something new, so. Like I said, it's a little too light from the pencil that I usually use, but that's okay. We're just gonna go ahead and make it work today. All right, now that I've cleaned my eyebrows up a little bit, we're just gonna jump right into applying the foundation. So what's good about this foundation is that all you need is this tube right here, the tush from the bottom. And as you can see, the foundation will come out automatically, which is pretty cool. So at this point, all you have to do is dab and apply to your face and then blend it all in. Hopefully I didn't put too much, so we'll see. Wow, look at that. Just look at the difference from before I put this foundation on to now. And literally all I used was this brush. I didn't use any other brush, and I have a lot of brushes. All I did was use the brush that it comes with. And this foundation feels really good on my skin. It feels very lightweight. I don't feel like I have caked on foundation. I mean, this is a really good formula. I'm gonna kind of finish off the look here. So this is Boss Moves, their 4-in-1 face palette. So I'm gonna go in and just kind of set my face with this powder. So if you want more of a matte finish, you definitely want to use the powder that comes in this 4-in-1 face palette. This will definitely give you more of a matte finish. Oh my God, this is amazing. So now I'm going to contour using this, and I'm gonna use the brush that came with the Fast Face kit. See how they have like a little angled contour brush? I'm gonna go in with that. And with the angled brush, they make it so easy to contour around your face that you really don't even have to put a lot of effort into it. Just kind of blend it out, put some color in my face. Look at that. So now I got a little bit of contour. Can you see the contour there? There. So now I'm going to use the other side and use the blush here. Get some rosy cheeks. Yeah. Yeah. Very nice. Yes, oh my gosh, looks so good. Time for a little bit of highlight. I'm going in on the same palette. You got everything in one, girl. Straight Out of Patience. That is what the eyeliner is called, Straight Out of Patience eyeliner. So I'm gonna get some eyeliner in here. A little bit of eyeliner. Now to finish off the look with some mascara. So we're gonna use their Lash Flash Strengthening Mascara. Here. Love a good mascara. Look at that. Look at the difference already between one eye and the other. Love it. Now I always do 2 coats of mascara. That's just me. Probably don't even need 2 coats, but I like my eyelashes to really pop, so I always go in with a 2nd coat. So the lippy that I got is Man Eater, but I'm going to combine it with another one of my Lip Bar matte liquid lips just because this is just a little too nude for me. So I'm gonna blend it with another one. So watch this. I'm going to blend it with Know It All, which is a little darker. And then I'm gonna put Man Eater and dab it in the middle. It's Know It All.